Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I have now just had a live session on this broker you see here, where we basically are trading binary option. In this live session we had today, we made 11 trades and all winners. So, if you take a look here now, the trades we have done, as you can see, this is 27, so 28 today. All these trades here were winners, so 11 winners. So as I do $100 trades, I made a profit of $1,045. So if that's something you want to do also, you can. Just make sure you sign up with the broker that you see here now, with the link you see up there right now. And make sure you use the promo code. You find all the information below the video. So this broker, I have had very good success trading live. I've been trading live on this broker now for more than 1 year. And on this 1 year, we basically just have 8 times we have losing sessions. Most of the sessions we make more than $500. So make sure you join me, because in every single day from, not every, I trade from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is free. So from Monday to Saturday, I trade 1 hour, so you can copy every single trade I do. But here is the extra thing. I'm not thinking, at least in Saturdays, to try to trade on this broker also. So if you like me, and here, this will be completely up to one of you, okay? One of you. So I will do like this now. I will not ask if people want me to be trading on this binary option broker tomorrow. I will leave it up to one of you. So below the video you will find a link to this broker, my affiliate link. But this will be like a super account where I give 60% of my affiliate income back to the one or more of you that choose to open account. If you have account from Pocket Option from before, make sure you close it down, withdraw your money first, of course, close it down and reopen with my link. Because like I said, I give 60% of my affiliate income. That means that this will be a form of cashback. So when you're trading, you get cashback on every single trade you do. It's not about if you lose or win. Every single trade you do, you will get cashback. So now back to this, I will leave it up to one of you. If one of you that are making a new account, make a new account before I start my live session tomorrow, and you have made any deposit, that can be $10 for that case, just make a deposit. I will do a live session with both, with this one and this one, because that shows me that one of you want me to start to do live session on this one also. So we do it like that. If one of you make a real account, deposit $10 or more, basically with the link that you have below, if you deposit more than $100, that's the limit. Not the limit, but that is the floor. If you deposit more than $100, you also get 50% extra on your first deposit. So if that's something you're interested about, if you have possibility for that, fine, then you do that. Otherwise, yes, if someone deposits $10 or more by tomorrow with a new account, not on existing account, but make a new account, then that shows me that someone at least want me to do live session on this broker also. Because what I have seen when I do live sessions, when I jump over to this one, I lose basically all my followers, because I have some followers that are live on every single video I do on this broker. But when I change over here, suddenly everyone leaves. So for me to do that, I do it. I will not ask that you say, do it in Pocket Option. No, it's action. So if one of you make account, make a small deposit with using my links, I can see that you have done it, then I'll go for it. So let's do it like that. So that's for tomorrow. I will now go in and upload this video, of course. And then after, I will make the link for the live session tomorrow, so you're able to follow and put a notification on this live video, so you can follow and start to copy all my trades, and also have very good followers that are also posting good signals that you can follow. And I follow these signals also, just so you know. So let's have some fun, let's make some money together, and now it's in your arms if you want me to trade on this broker or not. Have an amazing day.